everyone. Today I'm sharing my latest shipment from Craft, and oh my goodness, is this a good one. I am so excited to share all of this with you. It's going to be a bit of a longer video. As you can see, there is a lot here to go through, so you may want to pause this, grab yourself something tasty to drink, and make yourself comfortable because we are going to dig into all of this goodness. So first up are two new stamps. These are actually released last month, I believe, but they are new to me. And if you haven't already seen them, I strongly suggest you give them a look because they are perfect. I am so excited to use these. So this is the first one. It's called Head High, and you can see all of these great little things, perfect for projects like Project Life and just everyday scrapbooking. There are lots of just everyday usable kind of phrases. So rise and shine, right where I'm supposed to be, nailed it, huzzah, yes, made it through the blood, sweat, and tears. So many tears. Yes, worth the effort, more of this, I got this. And then of course there are these little icons as well, like you can do like the little celebration emoji, and there's a circle that says this deserves a gold star, and with the stars that you can add to it. I love this so much. I'm so excited to use this. The other one is called Chin Up, and it's kind of the opposite of Head High. So this is more about the failures in life, which certainly happen to all of us. So it says things like made the effort, less of this, no regrets, well, crap, try, fail, try again. It will all work out in the end. Oof. Made it through the day is the circle, and then there's some little symbols you can add to it. There's a lemon, and then make lemonade, keep that chin up. This was the poops, coulda, woulda, shoulda, close enough, looking back and laughing, etc. It's so good. It's so usable. This is everyday life, right? So this will work for all of life's little moments. I'm so excited to put these to use in my scrapbooking. Of course, the main event in this release is the new Brandy Kincaid kit called Clear and Cloudy. Here is the stamp set. You can see all of the really adorable little icons like the boat and the sun and the little waves, and kind of they look like raindrops. The phrases say, "This is my sunny disposition, make waves, smooth sailing, a storm is brewing, sail on, right as rain, clear and cloudy, clear as mud, and dive deeper." Let's take a look at the cards. So just like all of the previous Brandy Kincaid kits, it comes with both 4x6 and 3x4 cards. Let's take a look at the 4x6 cards first. So there is this one with the kind of rainbow of umbrellas. And of course they're all single-sided, so you don't have to choose which side you want to use. I love this textured card. It looks kind of like mixed media. There's this one that kind of looks like a topographical map. This one, which says one thing is clear, repeated. This gorgeous red stripe. And then time to clear the clutter. The 3x4 cards say you are so brave. There is a little bottle, so like a message in a bottle. A rainbow, a kind of sketchy rainbow card. A rainbow label card. A daisy print with a green background. This adorable little fish card that says, "If you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be." That's a Maya Angelou quote. Clearly cloudy, sunny side. This really beautiful kind of abstract, colorful card. Some clouds. Another, it almost looks like waves, and then a foliage, or kind of like a floral. It's mostly leaves, but in beautiful shades of green and blue. So those are the cards. That is the Clear and Cloudy kit. Of course, when you order this kit, you also get the digital versions of both, and it does come with a cut-apart sheet as well, I believe. So that's a printable cut-apart sheet that you can use as embellishment for the kit. A very special release this month is a mini kit by Little Lamb Paper Company for Feed Your Craft, and I love this kit so much. I have to be honest, I was not familiar with Little Lamb Paper Company before this, but I am a fan now after seeing this kit. It is so good. So let's take a look at the cards first this time. So these are just 3x4 cards, and they are one-sided, but they all have this kind of stripy pattern on the back. So you could also use that if you chose to. So here is the first one. It says today's agenda. There's this one that says morning. It says today's priorities on the agenda. It's got a little sun, place for journaling, or a picture. There's afternoon and evening. Don't forget, today, routine, repeat daily, everyday itinerary, another gorgeous rainbow card, this kind of composition notebook card. I love this so much. Real life and everyday details documented, and then notes on today, morning, afternoon, and evening, and then there's room for the date at the bottom. So this would be a really great kit to use for day in the life or week in the life, to add to some other supplies for week in the life. It's very daily documenting kind of focus. So here, let's take a look at the stamp set. So there is this great flag shape, and then everyday and to do. Both of those would fit inside that flag shape, along with routine and on the agenda. It would all fit inside there. There's another label down here that says urgent. And then there are basic things for documenting every day. So home, work, daily, weekly, school, evening, morning, wellness, afternoon, priorities, to do, story, routine, right now, schedule, don't forget. There's a sun and a moon and a sunrise or sun setting. There are little check boxes and a check, AM, PM, priority, and then these say routine on the agenda and to-do list. So very usable, very perfect for even planners. You could easily use this in a planner. Just really good for just kind of daily documenting. So really, I really love this kit. I'm so thankful that Elise sent it to me, and I can't wait to play with it. In addition to the 2 new kits this month, there are also some new Puffy stickers, and I love Feed Your Craft Puffy stickers. I use them all the time. This new set is a rainbow set, and look at how beautiful it is. Both of those new collections or kits had rainbow cards in them. They had lots of rainbow colors. So this is the perfect addition, the perfect embellishment for using those kits. So I cannot wait. They are puffy, so let's make sure you can see that gorgeous dimension on them. So pretty. And then finally, I just wanted to show you a couple things that I purchased from the shop that Elise sent to me along with my kits this month. These are not new. These were released last month, or actually some of them earlier. But I wanted to show you just so you can see that I will be using these to document some upcoming things as well. So this is the mini kit from last month, designed by Beshka Kuser. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your name, but it's an adorable kit. I'll give you a quick flip through. You've likely seen it because it has, like I said, been around. Sorry about the crinkling. It's been around for the last month. But I'll just give you a really quick flip through of the cards. The colors in this kit are gorgeous, and I can't wait to use them. I think it's going to be make some beautiful pages in my project life and in my traveler's notebook. And this is the stamp set that went along with it. I'm really excited to use all of these shapes to create a kind of abstract background. There's also some really great phrases on here. So a great mini kit. If you haven't already picked it up, I do believe it's still available. So you may want to go check that out. The next stamp set is from In a Creative Bubble. It is the one that goes along with the local living kit, which I bought digitally, but I wanted the actual stamp set because look at it. I mean, it's too perfect. I had to have it. It's going to be great for all the little adventures that we take locally, or when we go traveling and stay in a city. It's perfect. So big city adventure, in the city, bright lights, city life, museum, art gallery, theater, adventurous spirit. I love I love this stamp set and I can't wait to use it. And then finally, I picked up an older one because I thought I had it. And when I went to find it in my stash, I realized I had never purchased it. And I thought, what a shame that was. How could I not have this stamp set in my stash? So as a coffee aficionado and a avid tea drinker, this caffeinated stamp set just had to come home with me. So you can see it says tea time, coffee break, addicted to, there's a big coffee, matcha is the best, enthusiast but first, cafe visit, afternoon jolt, fully caffeinated and ready for today, and then caffeine fix, and then these adorable little icons as well. So expect to see this come up in my future crafting, and it is still available if you haven't picked it up yourself. If you didn't know it was out there, now you know, and you have no more excuses not to add it to your stash. Okay, so these are the gorgeous things that came in my package this month. I'm so excited to use these. I have a lot of crafting in my future using all of these gorgeous supplies, so I hope you'll stick around and see what I create. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all back here soon.